Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. Markets are back on this summer, so I need some stuff to sell at them. So today we're going to batch out a bunch of pens. I don't know how many because I don't know how many kits I have in the box still. But we're going to find out, and I'm going to show you how I go through and make a batch of pens as opposed to just a couple. Because you do have to kind of get into a production mode kind of situation when you're doing, I don't know, 10, a dozen pens. So let's see how many kits I actually have, and then we'll see how many we're going to make. Come along. I don't really like production mode, honestly, but sometimes it's just what you need to do. So this one isn't really going to be like fun, Mike. I'm gonna try to make it fun. All right, here's my pen stuff box. Hey, bonus blank. Got a random blank of Nara that's already got tubes in it and everything. That's handy. All right, so we're looking for tubes. We got 2 tubes in there with a bunch of hardware, so that's 1 pen. 2, 3. That's got no tubes. No tubes. No tubes. Uh-oh. 4. No tubes. No tubes. Oh, no. No tubes. Oh. 2 more sets of tubes. We're at 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. Oh, there we go. Now we're rocking. 10. All right, that looks like I might have 10. So 10 Slimline, and then a bunch of extra hardware so we can decide colors and stuff after. Let's make 10 blanks. We'll get 10 sets of tubes in them, and 10's a good round number. Okay, 10 pens today. See what I got in the blank supply. This is where I just keep my pen-ish size chunks of wood that I make with scraps and stuff. Oh, look at this! I get 2 more blanks that are already ready. Well, that's like almost like cheating. Let's make 10. Let's make 10 from scratch, because that's proper production mode. Let's go. Bubinga, cherry, flamey maple, walnut, African mahogany, and maple. 2, 4, 6. Do another walnut. Another cherry. What's this? You got purple heart, walnut, and cherry. Okay, that's cool too. And some kind of burl. It's like a maple burly type stuff. Okay, there we go. 10 blanks. Production mode time. Let's go. there we go. We got another 10-pack of pens. Some of them, I gotta admit, a couple of them are a little bit, fat guy bought a belt that was too small and he's wearing it anyway. But everybody likes a different feel of pen, so it's nice to have some bigger options, some thinner options. This one's super neat with the Purple Heart Walnut Cherry trifecta. And got the aquamarine dyed flamed maple that turned out really nice. And yeah, I'm starting to get restocked for market season. And that's a good start. 10 new pens. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. We'll see you next time. Make sure you've liked and subscribed. And check out my Patreon and my Etsy store and stuff that's down in the comment description-y area. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for coming by. Bye for now.